Hi, today in front of me INFINIX Note 12 Pro, and I'll show you how to log out from Gmail account on this device. So first let's open the Google folder and find here the Gmail app. Just open it and after that tap on the right upper corner. Here we can see that we are logged in at the same time into two Gmail accounts. And just to log out from one from these accounts in Gmail app, we should first log out from Google account on our device. And to do that, we should click here to manage accounts on this device, select one from these accounts and tap just here to remove. After that, click to remove once again to confirm your action, and here we can see that in Google account settings we successfully log out from this Gmail account. So now let's go back to the application, let's refresh it, and we can see that in app we also log out successfully from this Gmail account in the Gmail app. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.